What are you saying, sir?
Huh?
What are you saying?
I think the Jeep Wagoneer needs a haircut.
Yeah. Look at all the snow that's all piled up. Look, it's like mountains. It's even more than it was before. Oh!
It's cold. It's cold.
Allah.
You'll get slapped later.
Allah.
Bro, we can get out.
Go.
Oh, my jacket got heated.
Huh?
My jacket got heated.
That's good.
Can I open the car?
Yeah, but you need to start the car. I don't know how you're going to do that. You're not tall enough, so I have to get inside. Oh!
What the heck? Oh!
Oh crap. चलो रेडी के साफ कर दिया. Start the car. It's cold.
I don't feel cold, but I don't know.
Seat the car.
What?
Hey! Let's turn the seat heaters on and make this sync max. Alright, let's get out. सारा सारी अंदर फेंक दी बेटा आपने आइस गीली होगी सारी है.
My gloves came off. Snow is in my clothes.
You using your hand?
Yeah.
That's smart.
Oh, look at that big piece.
Yeah. Oh, it just went off.
Give me the. How do I use this?
Huh? Yep, that's how you use it. Slice it out.
Oh. Oh.
No.
Who's our don't do it yet? What was the other one? Oh.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Because the glove is in front of the thing.
Huh?
The glove is in front of the camera.
No, it isn't. It's not showing.
You know, time to go over there. There's that car over there, okay?
Yo. Bob was under a big butt.
Oh. I'm stuck.
Yo, look at the back of the car. No. I'm not doing this.
Throw it.
So who just farted?
Here.
Oh. I tried. Oh, okay. Here.
Are you trimming? Oi.
Oh, I went in my neck.
Huh?
You sure the other one's not in the garage?
I'll have to find it, I think. Woo! Damn, look at this. It's like at least more than 2 feet up high. क्या कर रहा है मेरा गुड्डा? What you doing?
I don't know if I got because
Damn, I think he's strong. Doofus. No! Ah! Why do we shoveling? Why do we shoveling?
he does not know how to shovel.
He don't know. Yeah, little boy. Girly. It's my girly. Strongy girly. Which part? Yeah, we're gonna wing it. Hold on. Are you combing it? You got third over there.
Where?
On the left. So, let me unfreeze my fingers and let me take care of that up there. Let me see. I'm gonna blow the horn. All right. Did you get it?
Yep.
Oh. Go. Bar. Is this a spot?
Oh.
If
I have snow over
No, he's all, yeah. Thank you, beta. You see, you gotta put them to work young, you know that? Yeah, that's my boy. Oh. That's my daughter. You're the channel. Hey, थक गया यार, तो काम किया यार. Oh damn, look at that car. Completely buried. They did a really good job in cleaning it right now. I like this हिसाब से snow हुई है. They've cleaned it so well. It's gonna snow again on Wednesday and Thursday.